We were really impressed with the food and layout of the World Fresh Marketplace on the Sky Princess.
So today we're taking you on a complete tour of the breakfast buffet on this beautiful ship.
Hi, I'm Eileen.
And I'm Bruce. We're a couple of senior cruisers who still love exploring the world one ship at a time.
And we love doing it together. And if you enjoy cruising and food or just traveling along with us,
go ahead and tap that like button.
And subscribe to our channel, Sail Away with Bruce and Eileen. And so you can join us on every adventure.
Now let's head to the Marketplace Buffet and see what's cooking.
Let's go. The World Marketplace starts with a bright, colorful spread of fruit and yogurt, my favorite.
A nice, refreshing way to begin the day.
Then we move into warm items, potatoes, boiled eggs, beans, and garlic rice.
And plenty of condiments so you can dress things up just the way you like.
More fruit appears throughout the buffet. Princess really keeps it fresh and plentiful.
And right next to it, oatmeal with warm milk and lots of toppings.
Their pastries are delicious, but we usually grab ours from the International Cafe.
It keeps us on most mornings from being tempted by everything else here.
One of the more unique stations is the congee station.
Congee is an Asian rice porridge, similar to oatmeal but with savory toppings instead of sweet.
It's comforting and flavorful, and we love that Princess offers it.
Of course, pancakes and waffles make an appearance.
And yes, all the toppings are right there waiting.
There's also a dedicated vegan section too.
And for the non-vegans, sausages, bacon, hash, and even fish.
Now we're in the traditional breakfast territory. Omelets, ham, scrambled eggs, and even had a poached egg on spinach.
And if you want something made fresh for you, right here is the omelet station. Custom made, exactly how you like it, and piping hot.
Now here's a section I loved, the Asian station. Adobo, veggie stir fry, garlic rice, and miso soup. I had this one morning, and it was fantastic. Really different from your typical breakfast cuisine.
One thing we really love about this buffet is how everything is spread out across multiple stations, so you never feel crowded. And for our British friends watching, yes, there are baked beans and roasted tomatoes.
And if you're keeping things light, cereal is always an option.
And they offer gluten-free cereals and pastries as well. Literally something for everyone.
Cold cuts and cheeses come next.
Along with more yogurt and toppings.
On this particular day, they had salmon gravlax, which is a beautiful salt-cured salmon.
Other days, you might find mackerel or lox.
And then come the yogurt parfaits, smoothies, and pastries.
Lots of pastries at multiple stations. And yes, yum.
And now, possibly the most important stop of all, the all-important coffee bar.
I gotta have my coffee in the morning, and specialty coffees are included with the Plus and Premier packages.
It's a great way to start the morning. And if you want to build your own, there are buns, meats, and cheeses waiting.
Another traditional breakfast station appears with bacon, scrambled eggs, sausages,
And a ham carvery.
plus more fruit because Princess knows we love it.
The buffet is full of little surprises, but the staples are always there at multiple stations, so you could jump in, grab what you love, and get to your table quickly. It makes a much smoother experience for everyone.
It keeps the flow moving and makes breakfast easy. Thanks for joining us for breakfast on the Sky Princess.
We hope this helped you get a feel for what the world marketplace has to offer. And stay tuned and hit the like button because we'll soon be coming out with videos about what's for lunch and what's for dinner.
Yes, and at several of the venues, so you don't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost a dime and it sure helps us a lot. Until then,
Happy sailing.